Welcome to Spend.shop. Now that you have beta access, let's walk through the shopping experience from browsing products to placing an order. I'll show you just how easy it is to shop with crypto on Spend. Once you've logged in with your wallet connected, you'll see all the available stores that we have at Spend. We've partnered with major retailers, keeping your identity private. Let's explore some products from Amazon. You can see prices displayed in both USD and USDC, which is the currency we'll use for payment. As you can see, the supported stores that we have right now are going to be Amazon, and in the very near future, we have a few more coming. We're going to go ahead and click now on Shop on Amazon. And first, we need to go find a product on Amazon. Here, I've went ahead and selected some AirPods. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link address here. And we're going to go ahead and paste it here. And we're going to add to cart. In your cart, you can review all items. Spend calculates shipping based on your location and adds a service fee which covers our no KYC crypto payment processing. This fee is a 15% or $15 minimum, whichever is greater. When you're ready, click Proceed to buy. Your information is never shared with third parties beyond what's necessary for shipping. Fill in your address details and select your privacy preference. Now for the final step, payment. Make sure your wallet is connected. You'll see the total amount in USDC that will be charged. Click Pay Now, and you'll see a pop-up from your Phantom wallet asking you to approve the transaction. And we're going to go ahead and confirm this transaction on the blockchain. And just like that, our order is confirmed. Once payment is confirmed, you'll see an order confirmation screen with your order number. Spend will also send you an email confirmation if you provided an email address. You can track your orders by going to your profile. Once you go to your profile, you go to View All Orders. And then here you're going to click on Complete Purchase. Here you'll see your shipping information and the items that you ordered. This is where you'll find your updates as your order is processed, shipped, and delivered. That's it. You've successfully placed an order at Spend.shop using cryptocurrency with complete privacy. Your items will be on their way shortly. In our next video, we'll explore some advanced features and tips for getting the most out of Spend. Thanks for watching.